Almost everyone had arrived. Car doors closing, whispers soft. Upstairs where Cher still sat, left hand covering her face, sobbing, crying without stop. And something in that room felt heavier than grief alone. The living room filled with faces, soft gasps, uneasy stares. She remained frozen, but still crying in that frame. One of my grandpas stepped forward, voice shaky, trying to stay strong. Cher, who are you? Tell us who you are. Give us a name we can understand. The room fell silent, like time held its breath. Hearts hurting slow, like fear had crept in death. Voices tremble, like truth and doubt had met. Something here was not the same, not what we knew yet. She lifted her head, still covered, still afraid, and spoke through tears that weren't her own. You know